Hello, welcome to the another vlog video from C3S. Today I'm gonna show you the public transportation system in Barcelona. So Barcelona is huge, but it has a modern and well-developed transportation system to get quickly anywhere in the city. The metro, bus and tram all run at very tight pace and until late into the night. In addition, there are several cable cars, funicular railways, sightseeing buses, taxis, local trains, night buses, and many other means of transportation. But for a student, the easiest and regular mode of transportation is bus, metro, and tram. Although Barcelona has a wide range of transportation, it's still easy, fast, and convenient to find your way around and travel in Barcelona. The subways or metro, buses, trains, and trams in Barcelona are one transport network. All you need is a ticket for almost all means of transportation. It only costs around €40 per month and you can use all of the transportation with a single ticket. The metro network of Barcelona is very good and the transportation go in a very fast pace. So you do not have to worry about the timetables. Almost all attractions are within walking distance of a metro or a tram station. Where there are no subways, the gap is filled by tram. So how to use the metro and tram? You will find your way around the metro very quickly. If you have a specific destination, look at the nearest metro station. All you have to do is let's check out your destination, which are always indicated, which we simply have to follow until we reach the platform. In Barcelona, there is a fairly dense network of night buses to get you back from your work to your home. It's really convenient to use a train to get outside of the Barcelona from Barcelona center. It's really easy to use a train also. Generally in weekdays, the transportation system like bus, metro, tram and train, the service starts from 5 a.m. to 12 midnight, and on Friday it's from 5 a.m. to 2 a.m. and Saturday it's 24-hour. Another good thing about Barcelona transportation system is it is well designed for disabled passengers also. So I think in this video we cover few details about the transportation system in Barcelona. So I hope you enjoy the video. See you in the next video. Bye.